Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kipkoech Bernard Ngetich, an advocate of the High Court of Kenya. Besides me is Mr. Kimeli Bulbul, County Solicitor, Uasin Gishu County, and currently the acting County Attorney. This afternoon, we've rushed to court in Nakuru and made an application before Honorable Ndege, that is the magistrate handling the Uasin Gishu Education Fund case in relation to Finland. We made this application this afternoon because earlier in the morning, Honorable Ndege had issued a warrant of arrest against His Excellency CHELILIM, the Governor, County Secretary Edwin Bett, outgoing County Attorney Lel, and outgoing Deputy Governor His Excellency Barorot. The warrants of arrest were issued, and before or within no time, there was breaking news in various media channels in this country indicating that there were warrants of arrest against the governor and the deputy governor. They could not understand why the warrants of arrest were issued, but upon further investigation, we realized that the warrants of arrest were issued purportedly because they did not attend court and did not give reasons. We've made an application this afternoon before Honorable Ndege. We've placed before the Honorable Court reasons why the governor, the outgoing deputy governor, county secretary, and the outgoing county attorney were not in court. On the 2nd of September 2024, the governor in his own handwriting did an application in writing to the Director of Public Prosecutions informing him that this week he will not be available because of so many things, among them the preparation for assumption of office of the new governor, of the new deputy governor. The other reason was because he had so many other errands, among them attendance to the Senate and auditing, which is currently ongoing. We made this application before Honorable Ndege and persuaded the court that indeed the governor has always wanted to come to court and give evidence because the issue before court is very dear to him. It is very dear to the people of Uasin Gishu and Kenya because it touches on the scholarship to Finland, which touches on so many constituents, on so many people of Uasin Gishu County. We persuaded the magistrate that indeed there were good reasons why the governor, the county secretary, the outgoing county attorney, and the outgoing deputy governor were not in court, and the court was persuaded to suspend the warrants until Wednesday, when the court would be addressed fully on why the warrants of arrest should be lifted, on why the warrants of arrest were superfluous, on why the warrants of arrest should not have been issued in the first instance, because the governor, the outgoing deputy governor, the current county secretary, as well as the outgoing county attorney, believe very strongly in the justice system in this country. They pay homage to the temple of justice and would always want to be part of a successful administration of justice. We assure the court that whenever they are required, they would be able to come to court, they would be able to shed light on whatever is supposed to be cleared, and would want to see the wheels of justice running as fast as they can, so that the temple of justice can dispense justice in this very heavy matter that touches on the lives of many people of Uasin Gishu County, and ensure that the rivers of justice flowed towards the direction of the many victims and many stakeholders who are following this case and who are interested in this case. We shall therefore be able to come back to court on Wednesday this week and ensure that we attend to court and we give necessary explanation and necessary support to the temple of justice. Indeed, the warrant of arrest has been suspended as it is until Wednesday, when we shall be appearing in court. We shall know then whether the governor will be attending in person, but we shall be in court as his legal officers. We shall be in court as his legal counsel to offer necessary support and to offer necessary explanation. The governor is very committed to attending court and giving evidence whenever is required. Honorable Ndege, who is the magistrate hearing the case in relation to the Finland scholarship in Uasin Gishu County, are suspended the warrants of arrest issued earlier this morning against His Excellency Governor CHELILIM, the warrant of arrest issued against the outgoing Deputy Governor Engineer Barorot, the warrants of arrest issued against Edwin Bett, the current County Secretary, the warrants of arrest issued against the outgoing County Attorney Mr. Lel. all the warrants issued in relation to the 4 persons have been suspended, and we shall be canvassing, we shall be prosecuting the issue of lifting of all the warrants on Wednesday, the 11th of September 2024, when the court will be mentioning this matter substantially, when all the advocates, when all the other parties in the defense would be present in court. We only had to apply for suspension this afternoon because the defense was absent, because the advocates were absent, and it was very necessary, because this is a matter of national interest, that the warrants of arrest issued against the governor, the deputy governor who is outgoing, the county secretary, and the outgoing county attorney are suspended at the earliest, because they are always willing to come to court. They would be willing to come to court whenever they are required to come and shed light on any aspect of the Finland Fund which they know or which they have interacted with in their official capacity.
Picha iko sawa. Kama ikizuri. Yeah?
Inakuja hizo. Inakuja 70 hebu inakuja 70 sana. I will issue some warrants of arrest against the 5 witnesses who are wanted today. And they are John Barorot,
Yeah?
Bii, Stephen Lel, Edwin Bett, the warrant of arrest are here issued against them for failing to honor the bond terms. Yeah? The court bond. Yeah?
Picha iko sawa. Kama ikizuri. Yeah?